In today's video, I will walk you through how to download a private Telegram group video on PC. Telegram loves to lock down content to protect privacy, which can make saving files to your computer a massive headache. But don't worry, there are a couple of clever workarounds to get around this on your PC. Let's break down how to actually do it. The easiest way to bypass restricted downloads on a PC is by moving away from the standalone desktop app and using your web browser instead. Open up Chrome or Edge and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Search for a trusted media extension, like Telegram Video Downloader. This tool is designed specifically to force a download button back onto media elements in restricted groups. Once you install it, log into web.telegram.org, navigate to your private group, and open the video. You'll notice the extension magically injects a download button, or lets you capture the media stream straight from the page. Click it, choose your destination folder, and you're good to go. Now, what if the group has heavy encryption or automated scripts blocking all extensions? That's when you bring in Plan B, high-definition screen recording. Because you're on a PC, you have access to powerful tools like OBS Studio or built-in options like the Xbox Game Bar, Windows key plus G. Open up either the Telegram desktop app or Telegram web. Queue up the video, and set your recorder to capture just that specific window or screen area. Hit record, play the video from start to finish, and stop the recording. Sure, it's a tiny bit more old school, but it guarantees you capture the exact audio and video playback without running into platform restrictions or black screens. And there you have it, a few solid ways to get around those pesky download restrictions on your PC. Always make sure you have permission to store and use the content you're grabbing. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech walkthroughs, and drop a comment below if you run into any snags. See you next time.